Okay, so tunaenda namna kutengeneza notification dialog kwenye login page kwa kutumia free open source library inaitwa ALERTIFY. For example, when I click login, okay, so username and password are required na hii notification dialog. Okay, for example, username is Alice and password is 1234. When I click login, okay, so welcome Alice. Okay, so hii ni episode number 2. So episode number 1 tuliona namna kutumia sweetalert open source library. For example, when I click username is Alice, okay, and password is 1234, for example. When I click login, you can see notification dialog, welcome Alice. And when username and password are empty, click login, and notification error, username and password are required. So hii ni episode number 1. Episode number 1. And episode number 2, okay, in episode number 2 tunaona kutumia library ya ALERTIFY. Okay, so ALERTIFY dialog inaonekana hapa, username and password are required. For example, username and password, okay, nimezingiza, so login, so welcome Alice. Hii ni ALERTIFY na hii hapa ni ALERTIFY. Okay, okay, so utakuja Google, okay, then to just write alert, okay, ALERTIFY, okay, then just like CDN, ALERTIFY CDN, okay, then you click enter. So now open ALERTIFY JAVASCRIPT.com, I think this one, okay, and then you click the second link and click it. Okay, so now niko kwenye page ya ALERTIFY, of course in official site. Okay, so now we download the library. So click download the library, this link. Okay, download the library. Cool. So library will be downloaded. Okay, library will be downloaded. After then, we come to our directory of downloads. Okay, so after downloading, you can see ALERTIFY is downloaded. Okay, so we come to directory is downloads. So open downloads. Okay, okay, so in downloads you can find ALERTIFY.js, then unzip it. Okay, so we have a CSS, we have ALERTIFY.js and ALERTIFY.min.js. Okay, so now tunazi integrate katika project yetu. So our project is this one. So hapa tunaandika just tunatengeneza new directory, then you write ALERTIFY. Okay, ALERTIFY. After then you just open it and come to copy and click and drop. Okay, so now open Visual Studio Code. So hii ni project kwenye episode number 1 project. Okay, so ALERTIFY here po ALERTIFY. When you expand, you can see CSS files and JavaScript files. Okay, so now we integrated JavaScript files kwenye project yetu. So copy bootstrap, okay, copy it and come to duplicate and paste. Okay, after pasting now na edit. So now anaingia kwenye ALERTIFY directory. So just write ALERTIFY. Okay, inside ALERTIFY I'll just delete it. Inside ALERTIFY, then go to ALERTIFY.js. So ALERTIFY.js, and again ALERTIFY.bin.js. Of course, ALERTIFY.js enough. Okay, okay, so again we integrate CSS. So expand it, you can see CSS. So copy bootstrap styles and come to paste, then we edit. So now close the link here upon I close, and so then ALERTIFY. Okay, inside ALERTIFY, and inside ALERTIFY then itaingia kwenye CSS directory /. Okay, in CSS then we take ALERTIFY.min.css, of course, this one. Just select it, then rename, and just copy. And copy, then come to paste. Okay. ALERTIFY.min.css. Okay. Then we go to theme directory, and then we integrate library moja hapo. So just copy it, and then you come to duplicate. Okay, duplicate. So inside ALERTIFY, inside CSS, then inside theme. So inside CSS, inside the theme. So delete it. Okay, inside themes. Okay, then inside the themes, we just take your bootstrap or .min.css, of course this one. Okay, so just select it and rename. Okay, so copy and come to duplicate and paste. Bootstrap.min dot file extension.css. Okay, so again we copy the same code. Okay, so now we come to duplicate. Yes, so duplicate. Then we take a default.min.css, default.min.css. Of course, this one. Okay, default.min.css. So select it, then rename, copy. Okay, just pasting. Okay. paste.min.css. Okay, so now come to ALERTIFY official site, where is the ALERTIFY? So here, so come to components and come to notifier. Okay, then for example, when I click run, you can see in an. Okay, so come to select a position. Okay, then choose a position equal to center, top center. Okay, try to run. Okay, you can see a message. So now copy this code, then copy it and come to our project, then come to notification. Username and password are required, so we remove swirl. Swirl we remove. Okay, then we paste ALERTIFY. Okay, after pasting, come to customize it, and we remove current position, and then we write username and password are required. Okay, and password are required. Okay, required. Okay, so now save changes and come to refresh and output our project. Where is our project? Okay, this is our project. Then I refresh. Okay, let's refresh it. When I click login, oh, does not function. Why? Check library. Check your library. Okay, so sorry, kuna mistake. So kwenye ALERTIFY.javascript. Okay, so remove. So path ni ALERTIFY. Okay, then ALERTIFY.javascript.js. Okay, so remove this path. Then just remove it. Yes. Yeah, remove it. So ALERTIFY directory. ALERTIFY. Okay, ALERTIFY.js. ALERTIFY.js. Okay. Okay, so now save changes. Okay, and come to refresh and output. Okay, when I click continue. Okay, so username and the password are required. And you can see another method here. Required top center. In method imekuwa displayed, so just remove it. Let's come to our project. Okay, so remove top center. Okay, so this is concatenation, so remove concatenation. ALERTIFY.get notify position, so remove it. So it will be this one. Okay, so it will be ALERTIFY.success, username and password are required. Okay, so just save changes, come to refresh. Okay, when you click continue, okay, so now username and password are required. Okay, when I write username is Alice and password is 1234, when I click login, so this is sweetalert, to just remove it. So when you sweetalert to like ALERTIFY, so come to ALERTIFY. Okay, so come to component, then come to confirm. Okay, and after then just select a model. Okay, and try to run. Okay, you can see our model. So then in model, and choose transition. Okay, and now transition we take zoom. Okay, you can see zoom to look nice. Okay, zoom. Okay, so now copy it, then come to our project. Okay, so we delete as well. Okay, then we paste. Okay, so now save changes, then come to refresh output project, then refresh it. Okay, let's refresh. Then username is Alice and password is 1234. Okay, when I click login, okay, transition effect is zoom. When I click login, username and password are required. When I enter username, and then when I choose a password, when I click login, okay, so I will display welcome username display here. Okay, so come to message and zoom. Okay, so in transition effect zoom in message. Okay, so na delete message, come to delete. Okay, so welcome. Okay, so double quotation, then dot, then you just put the variable. Okay, username. Okay, so welcome variable username. So when I come to refresh, click login. Okay, so welcome Alice. Okay, so now it looks so nice. Okay, when I leave empty username and password and I click login, username and password are required. Username Alice and password 1234. When I click login, welcome Alice. Okay, so now you can customize ALERTIFY. For example, you can remove ALERTIFY.js and write notification heading. So come to ALERTIFY. Okay, just choose ALERTIFY, for example, movable. So if you choose movable, click run, you can move it. Movable. So movable is true when I click run, and then so unaweza kaichagua hii. Okay, so now choose auto closable. Okay, so auto closable, when I click closable equal to false, when I click run, you can't close, and you can't click closable equal to false. Sorry, when I click run, then nikiklik pembeni haifanyi kazi. Umeona? So on touch outside cancelable equal to false. Okay, you can click close. So cancel. So naweza kaichagua hiyo, so just copy it. Okay, and come to integrate to our site. Okay, so just remove it and then paste. Okay, and a message closable false dot set closable false. Where's the message? No message. When you come to refresh our site, okay, we continue, then closable false, then you can't close, otherwise you click OK. Okay, so now closable false. Okay, I think okay, so now welcome. Okay, just put it here, and you put a dot, then we concatenate with PHP code inside and variable username. Okay, then you just save changes and come to refresh your site, refresh it. Okay, welcome Alice, but on touch outside cancelable equal to false, otherwise I click OK. Okay, I click OK.